Real quick before we start the video, guys, I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed if you were there a part of the stream. If you're interested in joining this guild, this is Afterlight on the Horde side. I'll leave a link to their website down below in the description if you want to apply. And I want to give a personal thank you to everybody in the guild that gave me the chance to do this. It's something that I've wanted to do personally for a while, just to see if it could be done. I know I made a few mistakes in this. I have not raided Light of Dawn in around 18 months, so there was some definite rust, and it took a lot of support from other people off healing, as it always does in any solo heal. If anybody has ever done one, you know that it's not a true solo heal. The only thing true about it is the fact that you're the only one spec'd for healing, since the rest of druids are not really equipped to do something like this as it stands. So it was a combined group effort for sure, and everyone was on top of their game, and it was really fun to do it. Just wanted to say that before we start the video. So thank you to the guys in Afterlight, and thank you for everyone who watched and who helped make this possible. It's not possible to do this by yourself, so big shout out again to everyone who watched, helped, allowed me to do this, and without further ado, let's watch the video.
You do this and I am done! That's it, you're dead to me, do you hear me?
I'm already dead.
Don't wanna wait till the end of the story to find my body lying cold. poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none. I made the devil run. I broke so many bones, but none of them were ever my own. They were an army, I was alone. I broke so many bones. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. I'm bad, take a look and see. So bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. I watched an empire fall. I stormed the gate and scaled the walls. They wouldn't share, so I took it all. I watched an empire fall. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. I'm bad, take a look and see. So bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. Stop it! You better watch out, here I come! I'm bad as bad could be. 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 Bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. Yeah, I'm bad. Take a look and see. So bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. Oh, I'm bad as bad can be. Oh, so bad. I'm bad as bad can be.
You are beautiful on the inside. You are innocence personified. And I will drag you down and sell you out. Run away. I am cold like December snow. I have carved out this soul made of stone. And I will drag you down and sell you out. Embraced by the darkness, I'm losing the light. Encircled by demons I fight. What have I become? Now that I've betrayed everyone I've ever loved, I pushed them all away. And I have been a slave to the Judas in my mind. Is there something left for me to say? Should this